We're here to see the implementation of the Bailey Bridge, which is just behind me. So that is a bridge that is pivoted over the shaft to allow a safe working area for our contractors to drill down into the shaft, which is part of this next programme. Initially, we were to put a fence around that, but at the residents and the community request, they wanted us to put it back how it was before. We've had lots of public meetings, lots of good engagement, working really closely with the residents to make sure this is put back to how they wanted it.
We were there originally when the hole was first discovered, and then it was filled, but we are pleased that with all the meetings and discussions that it was decided that it would be capped off properly rather than just left with a fence around it. It's nice to see the bridge going in, and that the works will actually start to fill in the holes and cap it off.
The site on its own has its own own complexities. It's a high density residential estate, only one way in, one way out, and it's circular the whole way around. We've had to take into account the needs of the residents, but also the bus services and everything else that was in place. Prior to even being able to get to this phase of works, we've had to undertake quite an extensive utility diversion package, which has involved working with the service providers, being Electricity North West, Cadent, and BT Openreach, and that was to ensure that all of the utilities that ran through the works area behind us were actually clear, and then that would allow us to safely work around the features.